Professor Govindpuri. Why do Sikhs wear turban? How do we cope with ignorance and racism on a daily basis? And did Kaaba literally move or turn when Guru Nanak Sahib's feet were there? There are many assumptions, but we need some answer about in Mecca.
देखो पहला सवाल है कि की सानू हर हाल पग बन्ननी चाहिए। ये गल सिख वास्ते गुरु ने सिखा नू पग मनण की गल इसलिए आखी क्योंकि उस वेले ध्यान च रखने वाली गल है। Whenever the Mughal invaders, they were coming from all the other countries, and they were feeling that the people who are living in India, they are their slaves. That is why they were doing each and everything to impose the slavery on the people living in India. And one of them was a dastar or the pagadi. It was a sign or the symbol of freedom and greatness. Sardari का चिन्ह, क्योंकि सारे के सारे मुस्लिम सरदार दस्तार पहना करते थे. And for the Indian people who are being considered the slaves ones, that is why they passed a rule that no Indian will wear the turban. पग नहीं पा सकते, पग नहीं बन सकते. At that moment, the Sikh gurus, they decided that everyone, all the people who believe in Guru Nanak, they should wear the turbans, they should tie the turbans, so that they may feel that they are equals and they are leaders, they are sardars, they are great. That is why Guru Har Gobind especially wore the turban which was being worn by the Mughal emperors. And that is why the Taris of Guru Darbar, they sang a war, they sang a very beautiful poem about this particular moment when they said, Pag Teri Ki Jahangir. O very Sadguru, your turban is looking very beautiful, even much more beautiful and very dignified than the Mughal emperors. That is the reason that all of us, we Sikhs, we wear the turbans. But once again, that is the commandment for the Sikhs. Yes, of course, whosoever wishes to tie the turban, most welcome. Next question was? There was one more. How do we cope with the ignorance and racism on the daily basis? Navraj on the question है. It is very simple. Reading and understanding Gurbani. That is why when Dr. Harinder Singh Ji was saying that according to Bhai Kan Singh Nabha, Gurdwara is a place of learning. What is Gurbani? It is not just the holy scriptures, it is not just the something where we should simply bow our head before, rather it is learning. When we say somewhere jo dhai soye aur naam ko beri nahi bigana sakal sang hum ka banai aur ek pita ekas ke hum barik tum mera burhai, reading and understanding and then applying into our life, that will make us much more liberal and much more understandable, and then we can fight the racism. That is the only way, because Guru Nanak, Guru has said it very clearly, Gurbani is jag mein hai chanan. Gurbani itself is like a light. Once again, Gurbani itself is like a light, so that we may understand and we can simply dispel the darkness of our life. Did Kaaba literally turn when Guru Nanak's feet were there? There are many assumptions in Mecca, maybe. But according to Bhai Gurdas, he states it very, very clearly when he says, Firya Mecca Kada Dikhai. I cannot say much more than that because Bhai Gurdas is the most reliable person who wrote this episode very, very clearly. And he says, sometimes we have very hard time when we think with our own very little frame of our own brain. And when we feel, okay, this is not befitting in our own frame of brain, then we feel, okay, it cannot happen. But don't think like that. Religion or the greatness or the spirituality or the greatness of the people or the greatness of Guru Nanak, it may not be measured with our little small brain. Bhai Gurdas says, Priyamaka Kaladikari. The only thing I can say. Thank you very much.